Good morning, everyone. Today is a day I've been looking forward to for quite a bit now. Today we are gonna go get tatted, and I specifically overtrained the last couple days because I knew that I'd be taking a couple days off from the gym. But yeah, I'm gonna head over to the tattoo shop and get some work done. Always hydrate before the tattoo as well. So if you're preparing for your first tattoo, for me, there's a couple things. A couple traditions I have, and maybe this isn't so much a tradition, but something I always do, is I like to get clean, shower, make sure everything is clean on my body, just because I'm gonna be getting scratched up, there's gonna be some blood, you want everything around you to be clean. And an important one, the artist is someone that's gonna be poking and stabbing you for a couple hours. Be nice to them. So I always bring some like treats and presents. I went to the bakery today and I got a cinnamon bun. And then in the fridge, I put it in the fridge so that it keeps well. I bought a sausage roll for my tattoo artist. So right now, we've got the design ready, which she nailed it. It's a mix of traditional, some Asian, Japanese, and then now we just gotta scale it to the size that I want. Maria is an artist that I've been like stalking for a long time on Instagram. She's got good work, really good stuff.
Here is the front side.
Originally had.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what do you think?
This vlog's kind of all over the place, but new update. So I got my tat, still healing. It's all blurred, blubby and black and all that. And inky and gooey right now. But new development. This kind of came out of nowhere. I was thinking of buying a treadmill, but there were two things that were in the way. First off, it'll end up being very bulky. And until maybe I move to a new home and get a home gym going, it won't make sense in the space that I'm in right now because our house is smaller. So I decided to put up more money into a piece of equipment that I've been looking forward to buying one day. It's kind of a dream purchase for me, and that's a Bike Erg. I've always wanted a Bike Erg. I would say for the last like 7 years is something I've always wanted to pick up. I don't know if I have any clips of it, but I had a pretty nice gym going and I really liked it. And especially now that the kids are getting a little older and they're in that age where they want to like run around and hang on to things and follow you, I think a home gym would be a really good influence on them. So I'm hoping there's a home gym in my future, in my near future. So. My camera ran out of battery there. Okay, so here's the thing that I've been on. Sourdough. It's been like a big source of carbohydrates for me, which is weird. Like a couple years ago, if you told me I'd be eating bread as my main source of carbs, I'd be like, you're nuts. But it's been sourdough over rice. Also, get yourself some good chocolate, some good dark chocolate. Look at this one. Cinnamon. Good night, guys. I love you. Steps to assemble your new concept to Bike Erg. All right, I guess I'll end the vlog there. My take on the Concept 2 Bike Erg, having had it for about a week now, I would say it's a good investment. I think my mentality around it is if I'm gonna spend that money on the Bike Erg, then I gotta just use it. I'm not gonna overthink it. Just make sure you're using it every day. For me, the usage was for morning cardio, especially with it getting colder. I wanted something I could jump on 20, 30 minutes and not think about anything else, just get on the bike. I think when it comes to any type of equipment, as long as you're using it, you're getting your money back. So I'm just making sure that it's not one of those things where it just turns into a coat hanger or anything like that, which that won't happen with a Concept 2. Anyways, I'll see you on the next one.